An IP66 motor does not automatically make an IP66 fan. The rating applies only to the enclosure boundary named in the evidence, so first ask what was rated, the motor, a component, or the complete assembly. Read an IP code as two separate questions. The first digit describes protection against access and solid particles, the second describes water protection. Never combine them into a vague word such as waterproof. In IP54, the 5 means dust may enter in limited quantity but must not interfere with satisfactory operation. The 4 means protection against splashing water under the applicable test conditions. It is not dust tight and it is not an immersion claim. In IP66, the first 6 means dust tight. The second 6 addresses powerful water jets under the applicable test. That is stronger jet protection than IP54, but IP66 still does not mean the equipment can operate underwater. Start selection with exposure, not the largest number. Define airborne dust, splash direction, rain, cleaning method, jet pressure and distance, duration, mounting orientation, drainage, and whether temporary immersion can occur. Then draw the rated boundary. A motor label may exclude the fan guard, housing seam, terminal box, speed controller, connector, cable joint, or field wiring. One unrated opening can defeat the intended installation protection. Look closely at every entry path. Cable glands need the correct cable diameter and tightening, gaskets need compression and compatible surfaces, plugs need mating caps, drains and shafts need the orientation assumed by the design. A credible claim states the model, applicable method, sample condition, mounting orientation, test duration, and acceptance result. Dust and water are tested separately, so request evidence for both digits instead of accepting a marketing adjective. Real product documents can show one model specified as IP54 and another as IP66. Those examples prove only what their own documents state, they do not certify a product family or a field-installed system. Test evidence should connect the sample, fixture, exposure, inspection, and result. If a file name suggests IP55 but the visible tables show IP5X and IPX4, follow the actual report pages and resolve the mismatch before approval. An IP rating does not cover every outdoor hazard. Corrosion, salt spray, ultraviolet exposure, chemicals, condensation, icing, pressure washing, impact, hygiene, fire, and explosion protection require separate material or compliance evidence. For procurement, record the exact rated assembly, required solids and water digits, installation orientation, cable and connector system, cleaning and weather exposure, test report and model match. Choose the lowest rating that fully meets the documented environment with evidence.